Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Mal Lifestyle Wooden Cat Tree. This beautiful piece of modern cat furniture is meant to hold cats weighing up to 23 pounds or even multiple cats. Its quality materials are extremely sturdy and meant to last for years to come. You can rest assured knowing this tree can fit some of the largest cats out there with no issues whatsoever. These trees are extremely easy to clean. The cushions are machine washable and the rest of the tree can easily be vacuumed or cleaned with a dry foam cleaner. Unlike most cat furniture, this wood and wicker cat tree tower will enhance the look of your home. It includes two beautifully crafted, one-of-a-kind trunks that hold two hand-woven wicker baskets containing extremely comfortable cushions. It is perfect for your kitty to have a glorious time napping while you can enjoy looking at a beautiful piece of art that adds to your home's aesthetics. These trees are extremely high quality and made to last for years to come. You'll always be able to keep your cat tree looking new because replacement parts can be purchased for any part on the tree. If you ever have any sort of issues with your tree, our team of cat lovers are ready to assist you. Our second best cat tree is Go Pet Club Cat Tree. This cat tree is made from highly durable compressed wood, wrapped with high quality faux fur finish to keep your cats warmed and cozy. Multiple scratching posts are covered by natural sisal ropes, which is perfect for your cats to scratch, climb, play and become active. Easy to assemble with included tools and instructions. Your cat needs a space of their own to rest and play. They can take a nap or play around as much as they want. This cat tree lets your cat be more active. The Go Pet Club Cat Tree is durable enough for endless amount of playtime for your cat. The quiet and roomy condo allows for your cat to nap without any disruptions. Perches with raised edge allow more safety and support for your cat. Sisal covered posts adds more fun for playtime. Reinforced posts wrapped with natural sisal rope keeps your cat from scratching your furniture and allows your cat to have a fun way to exercise. Third in our list is TRIXIE Lilo Plush Cat Tree. An ideal solution for your frisky feline is the TRIXIE 3-story Lilo cat condo. The durable, natural sisal exterior will give your cat a healthy outlet for their scratching instincts. Later, they can crawl inside any one of 3 plush kitty condos for the perfect getaway. The exterior lining of each entryway and the inside of each condo is lined in soft plush and even includes a removable cushion insert on each level. The TRIXIE Lilo Plush Cat Tree and Condo is a cute, cubicle cat tree that measures 48.2 inches tall and comes in a single color. 3 cubes appear to be stacked on top of each other in this cat tree. Each cube is a cat condo bed with 2 external scratchers, while the rest of the cube is covered in a soft, plush faux fur. Because the removal bed pads are washable, you can keep everything clean and tidy. Because this cat tree is designed differently than most cat trees, some people find that their cats aren't interested in it, which could be due to its overall enclosed design. Number 4 in our best cat tree list is Amazon Basics Cat Tree. If your cat can't stop scratching at your furniture, try this tree, which is designed to withstand even the most determined claws. Each of the tree's 7 columns is wrapped in jute, allowing your cat to knead and scratch to their heart's content. Multi-platform indoor cat tree and climbing activity tower for cat playtime, scratching and relaxing. Round top platform with raised sides and curved rim doubles as a cat bed. Stable square-shaped base ideal for placement in room corners. Sturdy medium-density fiberboard covered with carpet, 7 scratching posts wrapped in jute rope. Simple screw-together assembly, instructions and tools included. Our last pick is Yaheetech Plush Cat Tree. This 3-tier cat tree is made from particle board, plush, sisal ropes, metal, paper tubes, and plastic. The selected materials are sturdy and cozy enough for sleeping and playing. Your cute cats will fall in love with it. This plush cat tree is generally suitable for 2 to 3 small or medium-sized cats. Better more, we recommend you measure the size of your cats and refer to the specifications before ordering. This cat house has a high-edged perch with a furry ball, 2 condos with 2 doors individually, 2 scratching posts, and 1 lower scratching board. The whole structure has 3 tiers. Both a comfortable resting place and interesting playground, our multi-level cat tower will bring comfort and fun to your adorable cats. This multi-level cat tower has 2 scratching posts and a scratching board evenly distributed around the tower. The scratching posts and board are covered by natural sisal ropes. They are not only for your kitten's fun, but also protect your furniture from their paws. To ensure safety, the corners of the bottom board, middle board, perch and condos all are round in shape to protect your cats from hurting. Let's watch more.